Today is the day number 3, and today I am going to talk about the more what is the past of a speech and in which way we use in a sentence or in daily conversation, and when the time we get to speak in the front of people, we get the time to make the conversation a little or sometimes longer conversation. Then in each and every conversation we use mostly parts of a speech, and I think you can say that it is the main part of the grammar, because in this area there is the eight very important topic that we all are going to cover, and really it is going to help you a lot. There are the 8 main topics, and there will be lots of sub topics of it, because when you will be in the noun, there will be a category like more than 5. When you will be in the pronoun, there will be more than 9 category. Also in the adjective, more than 10 categories. So like this, there is lots of sub topics in the parts of a speech, and slowly and gradually we all are going to cover each and every topic which will be included in the parts of a speech. So it will be very mind-blowing session for you, and really I hope that each and every session whatever I have recorded till the now, they all are putting this some value in your life. Okay, so let's start. What is the parts of a speech? First I will start from the definition, and then slowly and gradually we will be on the advanced level of it. Okay, all right. So here is the short story that you have to understand very carefully. So see this short story, why I am going to share with you, because when you will read, it will be very easy for your mind to understand what is the exact parts of a speech and in which way people use in a sentence. That's why I have written a short story which you for you, which you have to learn before dive into the learning of the parts of a speech. So let's start. What it is saying, like first sentence is like, Sanjay is a good boy. Definitely he gets up early in the morning. He is eating mango. He is going home. He loves his home. He loves his beautiful family. Here you can use also, he loves also his beautiful family. He is running fast to catch the bus. Oh, he missed out. Here will be out. If you put out here, then it will be so beautiful. By the way, this is also correct. He missed the bus. Alas, his friends have lost the match. He loves chocolate and the chips. He loves pasta, but he hates pizza. Here should be like hates, not S. Here should be like H. H means H for horse. There should be he hates pizza. So this is the shorter story, and my purpose is here to, with the help of this story, you will be able to understand each and every part which I am going to cover in the parts of a speech. So next, see, here is the parts of a speech. Now I can move here myself. Okay, there are 8 parts of the speech, which is there will be each and every part of the parts of a speech. So why it is called parts of a speech? See here, you can make the definition or sense from here, just reading this parts of a speech. Parts of a speech. Parts of a speech means a speech. Just we have to take the a speech. A speech means whatever things we speak, whatever things we listen, whatever things we like write, whatever things we read. They all are the, you can say they all are the form of a speech. So this all speech has been categorized or has been divided into 8 different parts, and which is called parts of a speech. By the way, there is the also definition which you will learn, and I will going to let you know about that things where you can learn exactly about it. So whatever things we speak, we listen, we read, we write, they all are the form of a speech, and this speech has been categorized into 8 different parts. I think it will be clear for you. Okay, next, first one is like noun. Okay, in this sentence there is lots of, in this short paragraph here, there are lots of noun, like Sanjay, you can say boy is also a noun, morning is also noun, mango. There is lots of noun in this sentence. That's why I have written this short paragraph so that it will be easy to understand for you people. Okay, and next one is the pronoun. See here the pronoun like he. Pronoun is like he, she, it, they, we, you, our, ourself, myself, my, mine. These all are the pronoun, and definitely we are going to learn each and everything related to pronoun, because there is also a topic which I am going to cover in the very detail. So don't worry about it. Here is the just for the example purpose. Here is the only one. Next one is like verb. Verb is he is eating. Like here is eating. Here is the verb. Here is also a verb like get up. You can say like get up is also a verb. Is also a verb. There is lots of verb, and there is a more than 5 categories in the verb, which I am going to cover later through this session. And definitely you will be enjoying each and every session, because lots of things I am going to put in your way, people. So there is lots of verb like run, eat, laugh, dance. You can say run, eat, and you can say like management is not a verb. Recording, speech, like so many, fly. You can say like shut, cut, put. These all are the lots of tons of verb, and each and every sentence whatever we speak, these all are the combination of verb only. Okay, next one is like adjective. Here is the adjective like beautiful, fantastic, happy, old, sad. These all are the type of adjective, and definitely we are going to cover later. Next one is like number 5 is adverb. Here the adverb like fast. He is running fast. He is dancing fast. He is speaking fast. He is speaking slow. He is running very slow. These all are the adverb. Here the like fast, slow. These all are the, and there is lots of adverbs. Definitely we will cover. 6th number is the preposition. Preposition is in. In this sentence, in this short paragraph, here is the like in, and this is the outside of back side of this my photos. In is the in, and you can say up, at, under, into. These all are the preposition. Definitely there is a, you can see more than 3000 prepositions, and not we are going to, not we people use these all preposition in the our daily conversation. Hardly we use like 20 to 30 preposition, and definitely I am going to cover these all daily using preposition in our way. Okay, 7th number is like conjunction. Conjunction means conjunction like you can say but, and, because. These all are the conjunction. And what a conjunction actually do in the sentence, just it try to combine these two different type of this sentence, or two different type of this sentence, or you can say short clause or the paragraph in a sentence, or in a paragraph. You can say phrase or clause. What conjunction do exactly? Conjunction just combined two phrases or two clause in a sentence or in a paragraph. Okay, I think it will be clear for you. Next one is like interjection. Interjection means suddenly something happened, like when you are running and you are walking on the road, and suddenly an accident happened. Alas, there is the accident happened. So interjection we use when accidentally or suddenly something happened. We are not aware about those things from the past. So suddenly something happened. That's all are the interjection, and you can recognize what is the interjection and how you can find that it is the interjection. That will be a sign like, see here is the interjection sign. Okay, I think that all things are clear. If you really want to learn more about the parts of speech, here is the overview about the parts of speech, then I am going to let you know about the side where you can learn actually what is the part of speech and so many things about it. So just go in the search browser in the Google and type like rohitkesari.com. rohitkesari.com. This is the rohitkesari.com has been put in the search browser. Now after the see, here is the lots of categories. grammar, daily use sentences, daily use words, story, and by the time I am going to add so many things in this heading, in this menu, and there will be each and everything related to English language. It might be in the term of speaking, sometimes it might be in the term of the reading, writing, pronunciation, listening, or even in the grammar parts. So each and everything will be available. So go here, and for the today's task, you have to go in the grammar section and see. Here is the lots of grammar section we are going to cover through this session. This is the just broad part. This is the just main topic, you can say, and there is lots of subtopics of this all main topic, and which each and everything is going to cover through this session. Okay, so here is the list of grammar topic. Alphabet, here the definition and the types, consonant, vowel, alphabet, words. Already I have covered about the words, definition and criteria, sentence, which yesterday I have covered. And here is the parts of speech. What you have to do, just you have to click here, and here will be a new windows open, and see here is the parts of speech. So many things about it. Parts of speech in Hindi. This is the in Hindi. If you really want to learn this thing in the Hindi, because in the Hindi we understand each and everything in the very well manner. That's why I want to let you know. Just if you have time, then go through one time. Otherwise there is the also blog in the English where you can learn exactly about the here the types. Now here the something has been described about the topic of the parts of speech, like about the noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, and conjunction. A little bit description has been given. By the way, this is the also a separate topic like noun, where I am going to cover with its subtopic, like proper noun, common noun. This all topic I am going to cover. Sarvanam, kriya, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition. And now if you want to read in English, then you have to here see, click here to read in English. Now go, and you can see here, see that all parts of the speech has been covered in the English also. So don't be worried, go here and learn about these all things. Okay people, I think these things will be clear in your side. So I want to end this session, and definitely I will come with the next and very wonderful topic. So thank you very much, having a great day.